Hello viewers, in this video I will show you how to connect Google Tag Manager account with WIX website. So here you can see I already created a Google Tag Manager web container, and now I will connect this Google Tag Manager with this WIX website. So before starting, if we check by using Google Tag Assistant Legacy, here you can see no tags found. If I refresh the website, we can also see here you can see no tags found. That's means in this website no Google Tag Manager connected. So I will show you how you can connect your Google Tag Manager web container with your Wix website. Okay, to connect the Google Tag Manager with your website, we have to log in to our Wix dashboard. So here you can see I am in my Wix dashboard right now. From the Wix website dashboard, from the left side, we have to click on Marketing and SEO, then go to Marketing Integration section. Just click on Marketing Integration. Now from here we have to click on Connect of Google Tag Manager section. Just click on Connect. It's very easy. Then we have to add Google Tag Manager here. Just click on Add Google Tag Manager. Then go to your Google Tag Manager web container and copy this GTM ID. Just click copy. Then go to your Wix website again. Then paste the GTM ID here. Then just click save. Okay, something wrong, I have to check again. Okay, it's correct. Just copy correctly and then paste it, then click save. Okay, I just connect my Google Tag Manager with this website. So let's check. So my GTM already connected here. Let me copy the website link and go to the GTM container and click preview. Then paste the website link here and just connect. Viewers, here you can see tag assistant connected, and if we go to the preview section, here you can see page view event counting. Here you can see, and we already know that Wix website by default enable the data layer and push the data layer, so we don't have to separately enable the data layer for our Wix website. So this is the proper method to connect Google Tag Manager with the Wix website. Here you can see if we refresh the page right now and check the tag assistant legacy, here you can see the GTM ID we just connected here. So that's it. Now we can set up our Facebook pixel and conversion API on this Google Tag Manager very easily, and we don't need to connect the Google Analytics here and Facebook pixel and copy here, because we already connected our Google Tag Manager, and we will use only this Google Tag Manager to integrate our Facebook pixel, conversion API, Google Analytics and everything. So I think it was a very helpful video for you. If you like my video, please subscribe to my channel and stay with me.